To open the control panel without using a keyboard, there are 3 easy methods. The first method involves going to the Windows Start menu, scrolling down, and clicking on Windows Settings. Then selecting the control panel. This will open the control panel window. Alternatively, you can go to This PC from the desktop screen. Click on the arrow icon at the top, and select the control panel from the drop-down menu. Another option is to create a shortcut for the control panel on the desktop. To do this, click on the Windows Start menu, open the Settings window, and go to the Personalization option. From there, click on Themes and then select Desktop Icon Settings from the right side of the window. Check the box next to Control Panel and click Apply. Then OK. This will create a shortcut on the desktop that can be easily opened by double-clicking on it. Without using a keyboard, these methods provide easy ways to access the control panel without relying on a keyboard.